Welcome to Morocco, a land of ancient mysteries, vibrant colors, and breathtaking landscapes that span from the sea to the high mountains. In this three-part series, we'll take you on an immersive walking tour through the heart of this North African gem. Our journey begins in the north, where the air is cool and every corner tells a story written in shades of blue. But before we dive into the hidden gems of the Rif Mountains, we have a small favor to ask. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. This is Chefchaouen, the famous Blue Pearl of Morocco. Perched in the Rif Mountains, it's unlike anywhere else on earth. Walking through the Medina is like stepping into a dream. Every wall, door, and staircase is painted in varying shades of sky and cobalt. The tradition dates back centuries, and today, the community keeps the magic alive with regular repainting. Life here moves at a different pace. It's quiet, respectful, and incredibly welcoming. The local markets, or souks, are a feast for the senses, overflowing with fresh produce and mountain herbs. You'll encounter the kindest souls here, proud of their heritage and their beautiful home. Even the mosques reflect the city's signature hue, blending spirituality with the surrounding landscape. Take a moment to enjoy a glass of fresh mint tea. The hospitality here is as refreshing as the mountain air. Just outside the walls, the Ras El Ma spring provides fresh water, a vital lifeline for the people of the Medina. As the golden hour hits, the blue walls seem to glow from within, creating a scene you'll never forget. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. But our walking tour is just getting started. We're heading south now, toward the formidable High Atlas Mountains. The landscape transforms dramatically, shifting from the soft Rif peaks to the harsh, majestic beauty of the Atlas Range. These mountains are the heart of Berber culture, where ancient traditions are still part of daily life. The air grows thinner and sharper as we climb, offering views that stretch for miles across the valleys. Every step reveals a new perspective on North Africa's highest peaks, a true test of spirit and stamina. Even in this rugged environment, the local people have mastered the art of farming on terrace slopes. We are now approaching the base of Mount Toubkal, the highest point in North Africa. The peace and stillness here are profound, a stark contrast to the bustling cities we left behind. In these remote settlements, hospitality is a way of life, and travelers are always greeted with a smile. As part one of our tour comes to a close, we find ourselves standing in awe of nature's grandeur. In part two, we'll descend from these heights to explore the sensory explosion of Marrakesh and the dunes of the Sahara. Morocco is a place that stays with you long after you've left its shores. We hope you've enjoyed this first leg of the journey through the High Atlas and the Blue Pearl. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. See you in part two.